In today's video, I will be showing you how to add the Developer tab in Microsoft Word. To do this, simply go to File. Once you click on File, proceed and select Options. On selecting Options, proceed and select Customize Ribbon. After selecting Customize Ribbon, go to this section here labeled Main Tabs, okay? And check the Developer box right over here. After you check it, proceed and click on OK. And after clicking OK, you will see that the Developer tab has been added. And when you click on it, you can perform various functions, such as adding a checkbox, okay? And that is simply how you add a Developer tab in Microsoft Word. If you have found this video helpful, please make sure you leave a like, and please make sure subscribe. It will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching and good luck.